Hello guys to the fifth tutorial, I guess, or maybe it's the sixth. I think, yeah, it's the sixth tutorial of the quiz app where we have built so far the recycler list view, and it is taking us to the detail activity detail fragment. And what we have to do is we have to show the image here, show the text here, and also, yeah. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what we will be doing is we'll be going to the detail fragment, and let's clean the mess a little bit first. Let's name it text view. We have the quiz title, we have description, we have level, we have questions, and we have an image view. That's a quiz image, and we have a button that says take quiz. So what else do we need? We need a navigation controller, and we need an integer that stores the value of the item that was clicked on. So let's say, I'm telling you again, if we click on this will have a certain position, so we will be storing that position into this variable. And also we need some more things. So yeah, we need a view model that helps us to load this. Okay, let's quickly initialize these on view created. Quiz title, find view by ID, quiz title quiz, and sorry, we need detail quiz title, description is view, find view by ID, quiz detail, and what we need is level, and level is detail level text, and questions view, find view by ID, and it is going to be detail question text. And navigation controller has to be initialized also. Find view control view, and also at the same time we will be receiving the value from the position value that was sent to us by the list fragment get position. So now the position is updated. Let's go to on view create on activity created, and here what we will be doing is initializing our view model first. View model provider get activity, get class is the quiz view model dot class, and view model get data from Firestore, observe get view lifecycle owner, new observer list. So what we will be doing is simple quiz title, set text, quiz model, get position, what is it, quiz name, quiz description, It is really simple. Quiz model, get position, get description, question, set text, quiz model, get position, get questions, and here we will, since it's a long value, so to convert it to string. And lastly, we also have a level, so level dot set text, quiz model, get position, get level, and what else can we do? Glide with get context, load, quiz model, get position because the position of the image, and here we can add a placeholder image, center crop, load into the image view. And yeah, I think if I am load is not the result of, sorry, it has to be here, image view. Let's just run the app and see what happens. So the app is loading. Meanwhile, we can take this button, take quiz, initialize it also. View, find view by ID, take quiz button, and this take quiz button will be giving us so let's just implement on click listener on this fragment, and the app seems to be loading. Let's take quiz. So the everything is fine here, only the image is not loaded, but the title is loaded and the description is here, the level is here, the question is here. So let's just see why is it. Image view, yeah, obviously it wasn't initialized, so we will be initializing it. Detail image, let's rerun the app and let's see. Okay, so this is crashing and there seems to be an error somewhere here. Let's check that. Why is that? Yeah, the button has to be initialized also. The button is initialized, no problem. I think the error is coming from the Mm, okay, yeah, there is this mistake. We have to write into instead of image view. So now it will be fixed. And we can send the quiz ID. So let's take a variable and name it as quiz ID, and also total number, total questions. So let me just try the app and we'll get back to our code. Okay, still an error. Button click on object reference. Take quiz button. Yeah, the mapping was wrong, the casting. And what we'll be doing here is quiz ID, and so at the same time quiz ID is equals to quiz model get position get quiz ID, and total number of questions quiz model get position get questions, because we are sending these two values into the next fragment. And once again our app is loaded, and let's click. So see, it is loading perfectly. If you go and click on this one, so it is loading perfectly, no problem at all. Now we are working on this button, take quiz. So first of all, before that we have to repeat the same step and create an argument. So quiz fragment is at the receiving end, so this is taking, we can say, also this can take a new, we can say quiz name null. This is string null, not the null, but string null. And quiz ID, and what else are we passing in here? Total number of questions. I like to write in camel case because it's easier and recognizable. And we don't need position for this one. So we, after doing this, let's just rebuild the project and wait, because it will generate some methods for us. Okay, so let's dive right into our details fragment, and the values are updated. And also what we'll do here is take another string and call it quiz name. So quiz name is equals to quiz model get position get quiz name, and let's send these three values on the click of take quiz. So details fragments directions dot action details fragments direction actions action set quiz id is quiz id action set quiz name is quiz name action set total number of questions is total questions, and navigate nav controller navigate is going to navigate the action. This action is defined into the nav graph of our fragment. So we'll just click uh, and this is it. We are done with the details fragment, and hopefully if it loads successfully then we will be closing this tutorial, and then we will be working on quiz tutorial, the quiz fragment. So let's see, our app is launched, and see if it the take quiz button here takes us to the, yeah, so it takes us to the main quiz fragment. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.